Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my velvet crochet scrunchies. So I'm going to start with some Bernat crushed velvet. I really like this color. I believe it is cranberry cider. And I'm also going to have a 5mm crochet hook. Obviously some ponytails, and I've got some scissors as well. So first thing we're gonna do is pull out the center of the skein. All right, so I've got my yarn now. I'm gonna take my ponytail. I'm going to take my yarn, put it through my ponytail, and tie a knot. All right, and once that knot is on there, I'm gonna pick up my crochet hook. I'm gonna put it through the ponytail, yarn over, and pull that through. I'm gonna take my little loop there. I'm going to yarn over and pull through again. I'm just gonna tighten that down. That's just to kind of get us started. So after that, I'm going to be placing 35 single crochets going around the ponytail. So I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm just gonna continue that all the way around till I get 35. This needs to have 35 on it in order for it to work. And you might make it all the way around and only have 20. So what you need to do when you get there is pull it, scrunch all your stitches together, and then keep going. So for example, I only have 28 stitches right now, but it looks like I can only fit like 2 more. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to take these and pull them back. So that's 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, and so forth. So once I made it all the way around, I'm just going to place a slip stitch right in that first single crochet that we did. Just like that. Going to tighten that down. And then from here, I'm going to chain 2. And then what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna place 3 double crochets in every single crochet that we had on the row before. So in this first one, I'm not counting that chain 2 as a double crochet just because I personally don't like to do that on any pattern, but if you like to do that, then by all means, go ahead. So I'm just going to place 3 double crochets in this first single crochet. 3, and then I'm going to place 3 double crochets in the next one, 2 and 3, and then we're literally just going to repeat this all the way around. Once you get about like halfway through, you should see the this part start kind of wrinkling up, and that's going to create the scrunchie effect. Alright, I just want to show you guys, I am halfway done with my 3 double crochets in every stitch, and it is starting to fan out like that, and that's exactly what you want, so just keep going. Alright, so I'm coming up on my last 3 double crochets. There's the last one. So I've gone all the way around, and what I'm going to do from here is I'm going to slip stitch into the top of this first double crochet that we did. Just like that. From here I'm going to take my scissors and cut off a little tail. I'm going to pull this through. And then from here I'm just going to connect my 2 tails. So what I usually do is I bring this top one down to this bottom one by just weaving it through the scrunchie. Luckily with this velvet yarn, it is not super important to hide your tails that well because I just wove that through and you cannot see it at all. So anyway, once I have my 2 strands of yarn right next to each other, I am just literally going to tie them together in a knot 3 or 4 times just to make it secure. So from here, I just like to cut my ends off. It doesn't really make that big of a difference to me. If you prefer, you can get a needle and thread those through to hide them very well, but I think that this, it's okay where it is right now. So here is your finished scrunchie in all its gloriness. I hope you guys love your scrunchies. They are incredibly soft, great on your hair, and yeah. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. Those are all going to be in the description down below. You can check out my Etsy shop at Passionate Goods. And yeah, I hope you guys love it. If you make it, please tag me in it. I would love to see it. Thank you for watching and happy crocheting!